Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exclusive review of one of the most talked about fighter jets of the decade, the J-10C Vigorous Dragon 2025 edition. This latest variant has captured global attention, especially with its enhanced performance, stealth features, and stunningly refined design. Let's start with the airframe. The 2025 J-10C boasts a sleek, modernized profile, integrating advanced composite materials for reduced radar cross-section and increased maneuverability. The glossy finish in the latest Pakistan Air Force color scheme is not just for show. It enhances visual signature control and gives the aircraft a truly futuristic look on the tarmac. Under the hood, this beast is powered by an upgraded WS-10B engine, delivering higher thrust and improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessors. The thrust-to-weight ratio has been optimized for superior agility in close combat, and the jet now supports supercruise capabilities, allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. Avionics have seen a major overhaul. The cockpit is now fully digital, featuring a panoramic multifunction display, advanced helmet-mounted sight, and AI-assisted threat analysis. Pilots have greater situational awareness and can manage complex missions with fewer distractions. One of the highlights is the AESA radar system, an active electronically scanned array that significantly extends detection range and enables the jet to track multiple targets simultaneously. Combine that with its new electronic warfare suite, and you have a platform that's built not only for dominance in dogfights, but also for networked, high-intensity warfare. Weapons-wise, the J-10C 2025 is equipped to carry a wide array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including the PL-15 long-range missile, PL-10 short-range missile, and precision-guided bombs. The underwing hardpoints are designed for flexibility, allowing fast roll changes between missions. Externally, the aircraft's redesigned tail fins and exhaust nozzles not only add to its visual appeal, but also improve aerodynamic performance. From a close-up perspective, the level of detail in its finish, especially the panel seams, landing gear, and engine housing, shows the craftsmanship involved in its production. In terms of global impact, this aircraft solidifies Pakistan's air defense capabilities and reflects China's growing edge in next-generation combat aviation. Many analysts are calling it a 4.5++ generation jet, potentially bridging the gap until 6th-generation fighters become mainstream. Whether you're a defense enthusiast, aviation tech fan, or someone tracking geopolitical trends, the 2025 J-10C Vigorous Dragon is a platform you'll want to keep your eyes on. Let us know in the comments what you think about this fighter's capabilities and how it compares with others like the F-16V or Rafale. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive military tech reviews. See you in the next video.